My name's Ashley.
Hi, my name is Brandon.
And today, we're going to teach you how to tie-dye shirts. We have two different patterns for you today.
The pattern that I'm wearing and the pattern that Ashley's wearing.
Let's go! Here are a couple of pieces of advice before you get started. Wet the shirts before you do it because with the shirt wet, it'll help the dye soak in easier.
If your kit comes with the bottle, make sure that you fill only halfway with water. That makes your colors more bold.
I'm going to teach Brandon how to do the spiral design I'm doing. The first step is you want to wet your shirt, lay the shirt out on a towel, make sure that it's nice and smooth. Then take a fork and place it in the middle of the shirt. Twist the fork like you would twist noodles on a fork. You'll notice that it starts spinning around. That's what you want. Put the elastics on it. This part may require two people to help with it. So what you'll want to do is you want to hold it and put the elastics on it. And the elastics should kind of be around it like it's a pie. Like individual pieces of a pie. Take your dye and put it pretty much on each individual piece of the pie. You can do different colors for each different slice. The more colors, the better, as long as you don't mix too many colors because that can get a little brown. A good tip is you want to make sure that the elastics are tight because that can help make special lines in between. You'll want to make sure that you get the dye in between all the little cracks so that then you'll have really vibrant colors. So then you flip it over and do the other side. Once you're done with that, you take a plastic bag and you put it in there.
I'm teaching Ashley how to do my design. This shirt that I'm wearing right now. First, you need to fold your shirt like an accordion, over and under and over and under. Then once you've gone all the way across the whole shirt, you want to put a lot of elastic bands to make it tight. Take your colors and put it all over where you want it on your design. Make sure you get it in the holes. Our design had 3 colors. So I put 1 color on the top, 1 color in the middle, and 1 color on the bottom. Turn the shirt around as you're putting the colors on so you get it all over the shirt. Then put it in a plastic bag and put it aside. Now comes the hard part, waiting for 6 to 8 hours.
The longer you let it sit, though, the more vibrant the colors become.
So patience is worth it.
After 8 hours, we rinse them out in the bathtub. Anywhere else, and it's a little bit messy, because there's a lot of dye in these shirts. Then comes the final reveal, the funnest part of tie-dye shirts. You get to see your creation. Drum roll, please. Ready, set, whoa! These look awesome!
I love it!
Yeah, mine looks super cool.
Mine's so swirly.
It was all worth it. Tie-dyeing is so much fun. And since you've watched this video, you should go out there and tie-dye your own ideas. There's a bunch of other designs that you can do. We did some of the most simpler ones. Thanks for watching our video.
Bye!